intro for you guys. I'm actually out, so I just wanted you guys to see the makeup like with natural lighting. This is the no makeup. I have no foundation on right now, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, definitely stick through the end. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely turn on your post notifications, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye. Hey y'all, hey. All right, so I'm about to start with this phase. I'm gonna start with my brows. I grabbed my spoolie and I'm just filling it in with a basic just a hair store brow filler, a pencil. So I'm just starting with the bottom, and now I'm going into the ends of my brows and just giving it the look and the arch look that I like. And for my no makeup, I do my brows pretty much the same because I like to just have my brows on point. That definitely helps with your just giving you a more polished look. So now I'm going back with the spoolie, and now I'm going in. This is the same brand. I'll list the products down below, but this is in a different color. This is in a lighter brown, and that's the only color that I'll use on the front of my brows. Only use like a lighter shade of brown because I don't want it too harsh. Okay, we do not want it looking like we're using a Sharpie. All right, so I'm going ahead and filling it in and making it look the way I want. Back with the spoolie. The brows is definitely a process, okay? So when I was doing my brows, I realized that I had some grown in hair, so I went ahead and just shaved it off a little bit. This is also how I keep them the way that I want. After I fill them in, I see what hairs need to be taken out. So now I'm just carving out my brows. You know, you cannot miss this step. If you want flawless brows, you definitely have to carve out your brows, especially the bottom. I don't do the top all the time, but definitely the bottom you must do. So now I am just gonna go ahead and put some concealer all on my eyelids because they are a little darker. So this is pretty much the basis of a no makeup look for me. It's just a whole lot of concealer. You know, I'm just using the concealer over my eye and under my eye to open up my eyes so I don't look sleepy and I look really awake. So I'm doing that on both my eyes, and I'm just working that product in, blending it in, and bouncing the beauty blender all over my eye area. So I'm making sure I didn't put it on my nose, but I'm making sure I'm just taking the sponge and putting it on my nose, on my forehead, over my eye. And now I'm setting that. Anytime you put like a cream product on your face, you definitely want to set it so it doesn't crease and you don't get any lines. So I'm just setting it with an AirSpun setting powder. This is in translucent, and I'm just I went in with a brush, and now I'm going in with just a basic beauty blender. I'm just going to set all the areas that I just highlighted with the concealer. So I'm just doing that. This is also going to further the look of opening up my eyes. As you can see, I love this powder. This is the Mineralized MAC. Now this powder you need to go run and get right now, okay? Right now. Pause this video and go buy that powder, okay? This powder, it doesn't have a lot of color on it, so when it just goes on your skin, it just looks so flawless. It has gold reflexes. It's not cakey. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't want this in your collection. So yeah, I'm putting this all over my face, and that's another basis to the no makeup look. So now I'm gonna go ahead and contour just really lightly. I took the light brown shade just to give me more of a sculpted look and to just chisel out my face and to bring some color back in my face. So I just did that really lightly over my nose and everywhere else, and also I'm just putting that on my eyelids, making sure it looks all even. So now I'm back in with that same brush for the powder and putting that all over, and now I'm going in to cut that contour just a little bit, really briefly, and then I'm going in with that same powder brush to put it all over my face. This is going to make everything look even more even and so polished. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my blush. I'm going in with a really light peachy color, and as you can see, I wiped off the excess, which I wouldn't normally do. So just for the natural look, that's what I went ahead and did. Now I'm highlighting, and then again, I'm using that brush to calm everything down, going in with some lip liner. And now my husband just walked in, went in with some gloss. And pretty much I'm done. I'm spraying my face, and I used the Mario Badescu and the Morphe. This spray, the Morphe spray, you got to go out and get that too. Now I'm using some mascara. I'm not putting on any falsies, so I want to make sure that I take my time with this step and really give my eyes, well, my eyelashes, the care that it needs, because you know how your eyes look when you slap some lashes on and when you don't. So I'm really trying to focus in and really make my natural lashes pop. And so I'm taking my time. This is a drugstore mascara, and I really like this product. I'll definitely be listing all the products below. So I'm just taking my time with this step and really making them stretch on both eyes. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of glow, okay? I had to pop in some glow in the inner eye just to make it complete. All right, so I just had to fix the front of my hair, but this is the time when I would just add some loose curls. But as you can see, my face, I don't look like I have too much makeup on, and it still looks like, you know, skin and everything. It's the key is to use this fluffy brush to blend out everything, because it doesn't have that much product on it, and it just helps everything melt, and of course spraying your face a whole lot, okay? It'll give you that natural look. So now I am about to curl my hair, just add some loose curls like I said. This is the time where I'm waiting for it to get hot, so I would just spray myself with my perfume. Yes, honey. Even though we look in natural, that doesn't mean we gotta, well, this is a very natural scent, and I really like this Chanel. This is one of my favorites. I don't really like heavy scents. But it's funny because this has been my favorite for a long time, but then I got the Be Layered First Kiss, and it's similar, but this is just, it just comes off a little bit more mature, more older, grown. So I go between those two scents, but today I'll be wearing this one. Okay, and now I think it's hot enough. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair. I have the wand. I don't know what size this is, and yes, I have makeup on it because makeup gets everywhere. I'm just gonna add some loose curls. I don't really like to curl my hair every single day, and I think I curled it yesterday because I went out. So I just curl like the front, really focusing on the front like I told you guys. Well, I don't think I uploaded that video, but I have a nice little curl, and then go ahead and doing the body. Like with the body, I'll just grab this end, okay? I'm really lazy when it comes to curling hair, just because I don't have the time for it. This is an everyday look, right? So with everyday look, we don't have time to be doing full on curling of hair, okay? So this is my tip. I'll do the front, and I'll do the ends, and I'll do the body, like a few little strands of the body, and I'm done. I would probably just go ahead and add my contacts in or put my glasses on, but that's a story for another day. So thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.